In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the fog light harness on this Ram 2500. Let's get started. To start removing this harness, we can go on the driver's side behind the fog light. You'll see that main connector for the harness right there. It does have a red locking tab, which we'll have to unlock. Push it up with whatever prying tool you have. This will allow us to press on this tab and disconnect the connector. There we go. Follow the wire and unplug the fog light bulb on the driver's side. And at this point, you're just going to have to follow it along. It's clipped in with these retainers here all the way to the other side. To get these out, I'm just going to take a trim tool and pry them out from the back side. This runs across the inside part of the bumper. Now just go along the rest of the front bumper and undo all the clips that hold this wire harness in. Unplug the light on this side and pull the harness out. There it is. To reinstall, make sure you start with the correct end. This is the end that has just one connector for this bulb. Before I connect it to the bulb, I'm going to secure it onto the frame here and plug it in. Make sure that clicks. Run the wire along the bottom of the front bumper and clip it in to its retainer points here. Bring it through on this side, and we're going to fish it out through the bottom. This is how it was routed before. Clip it in over here. And then this wire goes up to the bulb and gets connected. And then this wire is going to go underneath, up and around, all the way up to the main connector for the fog light harness. Make sure that clicks and lock that tab. There you have it. Test it out. Make sure it works.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.